Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with UdoCreatives. Today we will be doing a simple nail art tutorial and demonstrating how to draw a night sky. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials which I will add in the description below. First thing you want to do is apply black gel polish coat as your base, using your standard brush. Next, I will apply some cat eye gel nail polish with the standard brush. Finally, I will be using the cat eye magnetic tool to make some stars. And there you have it. An easy night sky pattern. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to UdoCreatives for more art content.